Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, this is yet another Ulta haul. Yes, I know I have a problem. I need to seek help because I keep spending way too much money on makeup, but I love it. Like, I can't help it. So sorry, sis. So this is either the first or second video that I'm posting in 2020. So new year, same me, because I think I have been improving. I'm going to continue improving. So I'm not going to say new year, new me, because I'm not going to change me. People do change, but I personally love who I am as a person, and I'm not going to say that I'm going to change, but I can say that I will improve to be a better version of myself. So if you guys are interested to see what I got from Ulta, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my little box here. Not up until recently that I've been spending so much money on makeup that I realized how expensive certain makeup is. Like, wow. So the first thing I got is from MAC. Yes, I said MAC. I want to say this is my first MAC product that I purchased myself. Didn't receive an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm, but this is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC43. And this is what the box looks like. And I'm assuming this is what the shade looks like. And I used that foundation app to see what shade I am in this powder, and it said NC43, so I went with it. That's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys already seen this before. So it does come with a little mirror, and this is what the shade looks like. Hey, I actually think this is gonna be a pretty good match. Let's see. That is super soft. I think this is going to be like the perfect match. It like blends right into my skin tone. So I'm super excited to use this. And no, I'm not going to use this as a foundation on its own. I'm just not into using powder foundation by itself. The way I plan on using this is wherever I don't use loose setting powder, which is normally anywhere I haven't placed concealer on my face, I will use this to set the rest of my face. So I can't wait to try this. So be on the lookout for another first impression / trying out new makeup. The next thing I got is another pressed powder. This is from LA Girl. This is the Pro Face HD matte pressed powder. And honestly, online it looked a bit darker. This is in the shade Creamy Natural, and it is a bit too light, so I might use this to set anywhere I put concealer or my eyeshadow primer, but that's what it looks like. So this is what the actual like component looks like. It is pretty thick. It is cute, and again, it has a mirror on the bottom with these like little poofy things that I feel like nobody ever uses, but that's what the shade looks like. It is a, oh, that feels like freaking butter. It doesn't smell like anything, and yeah, that is a bit too light, but it is really sheer, so maybe I could use it on my face. I don't know, but that is the second thing I got. The third thing I got is another pressed powder. So I have this in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. I thought that this matched the foundation that I have, but I just now realized that my foundation is in the shade 312 Golden. So this is the color, but it looks like it'll match me pretty well. And again, it has a mirror underneath it and the little powder puff, but this is what the shade looks like. And I feel like it'll match me pretty good. And this does feel pretty soft as well. So there, right here is the shade swatched. I'm pretty sure this pressed powder and the MAC one are going to be perfect matches for me. So I'm super excited for that. I'm already tired of talking. I don't think that's good. Okay, so the next thing that I got is from LA Girl as well. This is their Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. Basically, this is so you could customize your foundations. I have mine in the shade yellow because I feel like my undertone is leaning a bit more yellow. So basically, if you get a foundation that is too light or too dark or a little bit off, you can add this to get it a bit closer to your, you know, perfect match. Okay, so it comes with a pump, and I guess we could pump it out just to see what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. That is pretty yellow orange, so I really do hope that this works out. I actually kind of want to try mixing a foundation right now with it. So the foundation that I'm going to mix is actually also from LA Girl. I did get this in the wrong shade. So I'm just going to pump like one pump where I put that pigment and then just mix it in. This is a bit too light for me and definitely just not my undertone. So let's see. Wow. I think that actually worked. I plan on doing a separate video on this, so there's like no way for me to actually tell if it worked or not. But I mean, it definitely doesn't look as light as the foundation on its own. So I think I'm going to really get a lot of use out of this product. So I did forget to mention that online it does say that it is a matte product, so you just want to keep that in mind. If you're using it to mix in with a dewier foundation, it will make it a bit more matte, so just keep that in mind. So the next thing I got is a lip gloss, and this is from Essence. Tati Westbrook, I think, raves about this, but I know for sure Juicy Jazz raves about this lip gloss, and you know, I take her recommendations pretty seriously. So this is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. So it's just a clear lip gloss. This is what it looks like, and smells pretty good. It comes with a furry, like fluffy doe foot. So I'm super excited to use this. You guys know that I've recently been getting into lip gloss, and my current favorite lip gloss is from Ulta Beauty. The next thing I got is a eyebrow product. This is the Micro Precise Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown. It is also waterproof, and this is also from Essence. This is what it looks like. This does look a bit warm for my eyebrows, and it also doesn't come with a spoolie. That sucks. It doesn't come with a spoolie, but it does have that ultra precise like tip, so I'm super excited about that. The next thing I got is also from Essence. This is the Essence Super Precise Liner. It's long lasting and waterproof, and this is in the shade, I don't think there was a shade, but it's just black, and this is what it looks like. And I've been trying to find like a dupe for the NYX liquid liner, and I'm hoping this is gonna be it, because this is like 3 times more affordable than the NYX one. So you can get a really nice thin precise line. It seems to be ultra like black, and we'll see if it dries down matte by the end of the video. The next thing I got is a concealer from LA Girl. This is their Pro Conceal HD High Def Concealer. I got this in the shade Creamy Beige because the one that I currently have, I believe, is in the shade Warm Honey, and it is way too orange for me. So you guys probably all know what this looks like already. I really do like the formula, especially for cleaning up around my eyebrows. And because it comes with this like brush tip, it is really easy to just get in there and clean up the eyebrows. So let's just see if this shade will match me a bit better. So that is what the shade looks like, and I think this will be a much better match for me, especially since it's not too dark. So yeah, I'm super excited that I will get to actually use this and enjoy it the way it is meant to be used, as a concealer. And the last product that I got is also from Essence. They were having a sale. If you probably couldn't tell, they was having a sale on LA Girl and Essence products. So I got the I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. This is what it looks like. I've been really into like cream bases for my eyeshadow. I feel like it just makes them blend out super easy. They're super like, I don't know, they just make the eyeshadow blend out way better and look much more smoother, if that makes any sense. I am currently in love with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas eyeshadow base. It is amazing, so I'm hoping this is something else that I can use. I don't know if there's a shade, but it says BHAH, like Baja. I don't know, but I don't know if there's different shades either in this. Oh, that is really nice. This is the eyeshadow base swatched right there, and that is a perfect color because I don't know about you guys, but for me, I don't like anything to be like too stark white for eyeshadow base, but I don't like it to be too dark because I don't feel like the eyeshadow pops that way. So that is like a really good color. So hopefully this works amazing. Okay, so I do have another Ulta haul coming in the mail. I just got a few products, like maybe 2 or 3. So in the next clip, I will probably have different makeup on, different clothes, different shirts. It'll be a different day because I don't think that's gonna get here until after New Year's. It's already on its way, and I also have some stuff coming from Shop Miss A, so hopefully they arrive at the same time so I can haul them together. But if not, I don't know, I'll just have 3 different makeup looks in one video because I don't feel like making separate videos for just 2 or 3 products from Ulta or Shop Miss A. So yeah, in the next clip I will be a whole new person. Also, the liner did dry down matte, as you can see, and not going anywhere, so there's that. And before we go on to the next clip again, you know, I suck at actually ending like a video because I always forget stuff and then I have to come back. Anyways, I did get 2 other products. These are from Walmart, or at least one of them is from, yeah. I did get 2 other products. One is from Walmart and one was a Christmas gift. So the thing I got from Walmart is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer. I have mine in the shade Pure Beige. So I'm hoping this isn't too light. So it has a cute little regular size doe foot, nothing too big, like Tarte Shape Tape. And that is the color right there, which I think is a pretty good match for me. Not too light, not too dark. So that should work out pretty good for me. And then I have these Ardell Professional Wispies. My mother-in-law or future mother-in-law gave these to me for Christmas, and believe it or not, I've never tried Ardell wispy lashes before. I feel like I tried one of their lashes. I don't think it was wispy. I think it was maybe double ups. It definitely wasn't wispies, I don't think. So can't wait to try these. They kind of remind me of the Salon Perfect 314s, I want to say they are, but super cute. And I needed more lashes anyway, so happy that I got these. And now I will see you guys in the next clip. Next day, new look, new person. So I just got my second package from Ulta, and I don't have my makeup done because I was waiting for this to do it, but I kind of really just want to play with everything that I got from my last haul, like the last clip and this stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got in this video here and start a new video where I try all the products that I got. So the first thing that I got is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask. It's vegan and cruelty free, and this is what the box looks like. And my face, I just did the mask, so I will have a clip like right here somewhere of me doing the mask. And this is what the actual container looks like. It comes with 1.69 fluid ounces, and that could last you a while depending on how much you use, how many times you do it. But that left my face like glowing, super soft. You're supposed to use it 1 to 2 times a week and let it sit on the face for 10 to 15 minutes. But I really like masks like this. I feel super refreshed and like rejuvenated. The next thing I got is something I already have. I just didn't have the right shade. In my opinion, they were just too close to my skin tone. So this is a concealer from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I got the shade Latte. I think I have Walnut and Toffee, but I think this shade will match me a lot better. Okay, I can't open it, so I'll just open it when I try it on. And the last thing I got has been something that I've been wanting to try for a while, and it's from Urban Decay. So I got this like duo set of all-nighter setting spray. It says that the suggested retail price is $66, but it's a $42 like value. So I mean, I think that's a steal, and if these are good, then I'm happy I got 2. So I cannot wait to try these. Everyone on YouTube raves about these, so let's see if it is worth the hype. So that is the last 3 things from this haul. The other package that I have was from Shop Say, but it's practically all their nail polishes that they launched. So I will be doing a separate video on that with swatches. So if you want to see how that goes, then just make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that video. So that brings this video to an end. If you guys enjoyed, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below anything you have questions about. And again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. Also hit the notification bell so you guys stay notified every time I upload. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!